Hey fishing fans, this is Debbie Hansen for TakeMeFishing.org. Getting started fishing is easier than you think. I'm going to walk you through a beginner fishing gear checklist that'll help you get started and get out on the water right away. You'll need a rod and reel. Start with a 6 or 7 foot medium action spinning rod and reel combo that's already assembled and can transition from freshwater to inshore saltwater fishing. Fishing line. Rod and reel combos often come pre-spooled with monofilament fishing line, so you won't need to worry about spooling new fishing line yourself on your rod and reel. You may want to get some fluorocarbon leader material for added strength and abrasion resistance if you're fishing around dock pilings, rocks, bridges, those types of areas. Tackle. Your tackle selection will depend on the type of fishing you plan to do. If you plan to fish in a nearby freshwater pond or from a lake shoreline, you can just start with a simple J-hook, a few split shot weights, a bobber, and a cup of earthworms for simplicity. If you want to get a few lures that work well in both fresh and salt water, you can try soft plastic flukes or a simple gold spoon. Tackle box. Find a mid-sized tackle box that's easy to transport, but that also has a couple of different sized trays with some compartments and room for a few fishing tools. Hand tools. Stick with the essentials like a pair of pliers and a handheld fishing line cutter tool. Fishing license. Before you hit the water, you'll need to get a fishing license. You can purchase one online at TakeMeFishing.org or at your local outdoor specialty retailer or tackle shop. Those are the fishing gear and tackle basics for beginners. If you'd like additional information on fishing gear and tackle, just head on over to the fishing gear and tackle section at TakeMeFishing.org.